Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you yet another Instagram story trick, and that is when you're typing on an Instagram story you will get a moving background like this. And if you want to know how I did that, just watch the video till the end. You will also get to know about that. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer.
Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer.
Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about
My name is Abhimanue.
my name is Abhimanue. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because your subscription gives me more motivation to create more and more videos in the future. Okay, then let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so if you want to know about that trick to get that moving background, I will show you. Open Instagram story option, click any photo, anything like this. Okay, click anything like this, and what you have to do is select any GIF file from here. Okay, maybe diamond or lightning, like that, any GIF. Okay, I will choose diamond. Okay, I will choose this. Okay, and next thing what you have to do is just drag this old diamond to the full screen like this. Okay, and after that what you have to do is on top you can see the download option. Download this GIF file, download it. Okay, now the video has been saved. Okay, and go back. Okay, now you can open that GIF file directly. Open that GIF file, and on top you can see this logo right here. Okay, click that. Click that and select black color from here. Select black and long press on the screen. Okay, now the background color has changed. Okay, fine. And next thing what you have to do is, you can see, one second. Okay, click this logo over here, this logo. Okay, click that. Okay, and the next thing is you can write anything on the screen. Okay, and after that the magic will happen. Just wait and see. Okay, whatever, you can write anything, your name, your brand, or your whatever comes to your mind, you can write it. I'm going to write Social Freelancer. See, this is how you will get a moving background. Okay, so from today onwards you can also do like this for your upcoming stories. Okay, it is a little bit unique. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share this with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon next to it. And if you hit that bell icon, you will get notification from all my videos, and we guys will keep in touch.